Hey there gardeners, ready to transform your garden with some easy DIY projects? Today I'm diving into 3 fantastic ideas using concrete bags. Let's get started. First up, the raised garden bed. You'll need a few pre-mixed biodegradable concrete bags. Stagger the bags in each row over the seams of the previous row. For beds taller than 2 feet, reinforce them with rebar. Keep the bags wet for 4 days to cure and then peel off the paper. Voila! You've got a sturdy raised bed ready to be filled with soil. Next, the butterfly puddler. This one's super simple. Grab a concrete bag, tape the edges to hold its shape, and cut open the top. Create some indentations using bowls, soak the concrete with water, and let it cure for 4 days. Once it's ready, fill one indentation with damp sand and compost mix, and the other with overripe fruit. Your butterfly friends will thank you. Finally, the garden bench. Lay a concrete bag on plastic sheeting, wet it, and let it cure. Peel off the paper and place the slab on 2 concrete blocks, and just like that you've got a simple rustic bench for your garden. These projects are not only easy but also a fantastic way to add functionality and charm to your garden. So what are you waiting for? Grab some concrete bags and get started. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more DIY garden tips. Happy gardening!